Welcome to this lesson on Hosted VoIP. Today, we're exploring how business communication has evolved for the modern world. If your office phone system still lives in a metal box in a closet, this video is for you. For decades, businesses were tied to expensive hardware and aging copper lines, but that era is coming to an end. It's time to step out of the wiring closet and into the cloud. Hi, I'm Ruben. In this lesson, I'm going to explain Hosted VoIP in plain English. No jargon, no sales fog. We'll look at how your voice turns into data, why the cloud replaced the copper line, and exactly what that means for your business. We're bridging the gap between old tech and the modern cloud. Hosted VoIP, short for Voice over Internet Protocol, is a business phone system that carries your calls over the internet instead of old copper phone lines. It is a fundamental shift from owning physical infrastructure to subscribing to a digital service. Instead of a bulky PBX box humming away in a wiring closet, the entire system lives in secure, professionally managed data centers. You still get the dial tone, the features, and the desk phones you're used to, but your provider handles the hardware, the maintenance, and the upgrades. So how does a call actually travel? Let's follow it, one packet at a time. You speak into a desk phone, a soft phone on your computer, or an app on your cell. Your voice is instantly digitized and broken into small, efficient data packets. Those packets reach the provider's data centers, the smart switchboard for your call. The system routes it to another VoIP user, a landline, or a mobile phone. And on the other end, the packets convert right back into sound. Remarkably, all of this happens in a fraction of a second. For more than a century, a business phone system meant a large capital purchase and proprietary hardware that eventually ages and breaks. It meant a technician on site every time something went wrong. Adding 10 employees used to mean a slow, expensive hardware project. Hosted VoIP flipped that model. Now it's a predictable monthly cost per user with nothing to buy. The provider runs, secures, and upgrades everything. You add or remove users in minutes from a simple web portal, and it works anywhere there's internet, on any device. This isn't just for small offices. Government agencies use it to scale across departments and support emergency location routing. Schools connect every classroom and campus on one platform with paging and emergency alerts. It's infrastructure that grows as you do. Call centers run intelligent routing, queues, and real-time analytics. And businesses with remote teams take calls from one business number anywhere because the office follows the person, not the building. You're no longer tethered to a desk. Your business is wherever you are. To recap, Hosted VoIP replaces physical boxes with cloud reliability. It lowers your upfront costs, moves with your team, and scales instantly. It's the last phone system your business will ever need to buy. Simple, efficient, and ready for the future. Carolina Digital Phone has been answering this exact question since 2000, back when hosted systems still needed explaining. We're based right here in North Carolina, and when you call, a real engineer picks up. We're here to help your team make the switch with confidence. If you want to see exactly how Hosted VoIP would work for your team, book a no-pressure discovery call. The number is 336544400. Call us today for a demo and let's modernize your communication together.